Здравствуйте. Доброе утро. Добрый день. Добрый вечер. Today we'll learn about noun and adjective agreement. You've already learned some common adjectives used to describe people. You also know that masculine and feminine endings look different. If you want to describe your brother as cheerful, you want to say my brother is cheerful, you would say мой брат веселый. If you want to describe your sister as cheerful, you would say моя сестра веселая. You know to use two different endings for masculine and feminine adjective. But what if we want to describe a neuter or a plural noun? We have to learn two more endings, one for neuter and one for plural adjectives. To follow my grammar presentation today, you need to know what these adjectives mean. Have a look. Вы помните слова интересный, смешной, русский, маленький, большой, плохой, хороший, красивый? If you don't remember what these words mean, please pause this video and review these adjectives now. Go to учебник «Спутник», страница 107. Once you've done so, we'll continue. Okay, let's look at the regular forms of adjectives. Dictionaries introduce nouns in their masculine form. Интересный, смешной. You would see one of these two endings, uy or oi, at the end. To describe a feminine, neuter, or plural noun, you have to change the adjective ending. Look at this chart. Masculine adjective интересный, смешной would describe a noun журнал, which is a masculine noun. And you'd say интересный, смешной журнал. If you want to describe книга as interesting and funny, you would have to change the ending. Интересная, смешная книга. If you want to describe a noun письмо, which is a neuter noun, you have to add yet another ending, ое. Интересное, смешное письмо. And if you want to describe plural nouns, you would have to change ending again. Уе is your ending for plural. Интересные, смешные журналы, книги, письма. Please note that adjectives have two-letter ending. To change the adjective agreement, remove the two final letters from the masculine form before adding the appropriate ending, ая, ое, or уе. Now please pause this video and complete упражнение 3.3.1 в учебнике на странице 119. Once you have done, resume this video and we'll continue on. When writing the ending in masculine and plural nouns, remember the 7-letter rule when you learn to form a plural of nouns. And do not write uy after k, g, h, j, sh, ch, sh. Write e instead. So let's see what it looks like when you apply 7-letter rule. If you look at the adjective русский and маленький, you see that instead of the regular uy ending, we have e. Because русский and маленький have the letter k before the ending. If you look at the feminine ending, русская маленькая is regular, neuter, русское маленькое, regular again, but in the plural, 7-letter spelling rule is in effect. Русские, маленькие. The ending is ие instead of уе. Look at these two more examples. Большой and плохой. masculine form is not affected by the 7-letter rule because we do not have a choice between uy or e here. Oy is our masculine ending. So we don't care about 7-letter rule, even though we have sh and h at the end. Feminine adjectives are regular, большая, плохая, neuter, regular again, большое, плохое. But in the plural, the 7-letter rule will make us change the ending. So we cannot write uye as a regular ending. We have to do iye instead. H and sh are 2 of the 7 letters. Remember the 7-letter rule. Please note, adjectives ending in oy are affected by 7-letter rule, only in the plural. Большой, плохой, we don't worry about 7-letter rule. Большая, плохая, большое, плохое, we don't worry again. And only in the plural, we should be careful. Большие, плохие. Now, please pause the video and complete упражнение 3.3.2 в учебнике на странице 120. One more spelling rule is called 5-letter spelling rule. It says that after 5 letters, zh, sh, ch, sh, and ц, write ye in the neuter ending if the ending is not stressed. If the ending is stressed, write o. Look at the word хороший. The masculine form has e at the end, affected by 7-letter spelling rule. Sh is one of the 7 letters. Хорошая has the regular ending, but the neuter form хорошее has yeye instead of expected oye. And the plural form хорошие is again affected by 7-letter spelling rule. If you compare хороший and большой, look at the neuter forms, хорошее, большое, you will see that the letters at the end, the consonant sh is the same, but большое has the end stressed and хорошее not stressed. When it is stressed, write o, and you hear that o, большое. If you don't hear the o after one of these 5 letters, do not write it, write ye instead, хорошее. Later you will learn more adjectives affected by 5-letter rule. For now, it is only one word, хорошее. Do not worry about 5-letter spelling rule, just remember one word, хорошее. Okay, now we'll complete an exercise, упражнение. The exercise is right on this slide. I'd like you to use the word красивый to describe the nouns город, актриса, дерево, дома. Please write down your word combinations in a notebook. You should come up with 4 word combinations. After you've done that, please use the word русский to describe the nouns дом, книга, слово, люди. Write them down. And the last one, use the word хороший to describe computer, статья, упражнение, врачи. Once you have written all 12 word combinations, resume this video presentation to check if your adjective endings are correct. The answers will be on the next slide, but don't look right now. Pause the video and write down your word combinations. Хорошо. This is the key, ключ, answer key. Compare your word combinations with the ones on this slide. Please pay attention to the endings affected by 7-letter and 5-letter spelling rules. Let me read these word combinations for you and please repeat after me. So we'll go from the first word combination, красивый город, down and do all красивый. And then we'll go to the second column and go to the third column. Okay. Красивый город. Красивая актриса. Красивое дерево. Красивые дома. Русский дом. Русская книга. Русское слово. Русские люди. Хороший компьютер. Хорошая статья. Хорошее упражнение. Хорошие врачи. Хорошо. One last thing I would like you to learn about the adjective endings is that some of them are naturally soft. Some adjectives have endings I, yaya, yeye, and iye instead of expected uy, aya, oye, or uye. They are exceptions. Watch out for the for the adjective ending in the dictionary form. If a noun ends in ni in the masculine dictionary form, you will have soft ending in all forms. For example, синий means blue, will have синяя for feminine, синее for neuter, and синие for plural. The word домашний, home, as in homework, will be домашняя in the feminine form, домашнее in the neuter, and домашние in the plural form. These are some of the examples. Please repeat after me. Домашний компьютер. Домашняя работа. Домашнее задание. Домашние тапочки. Remember that soft endings are exceptions. There will be very few adjectives that have soft endings. What I'd like you to focus on is regular forms. We started with them, and I'd like to finish with regular forms again. So these are the endings you should remember for your adjectives. Uy or oi for masculine adjective. Aya for feminine adjectives. Neuter adjectives will have oye at the end, and plural adjectives will have uye at the end. Once you've learned all these endings, watch out for 7-letter spelling rule and 5-letter spelling rule. Now I'd like you to complete упражнение 3.3.5 в учебнике на странице 122. Once you've finished, you can check all your exercises that you have completed with answer keys posted on Course Spaces site. This is it. До свидания. До связи.